guys, as you can see from the title, I'm gonna be making the best red beans and rice you can eat in an RV, baby. As you can see, I do use chicken broth to soak my beans in. You can use water. However, I have done both, and I come to find out that I like the chicken broth better. It brings a lot more flavor. Now, if you wanted to do this meal right here real fast, you do not want to do the beans like I have done, the kidney beans in the bag. You want to get the can because it'll be done way faster. These right here, I let it soak for 2 to 3 hours before I get to cooking them. So again, you can use the can. Okay, these are the andouille sausage. They good in there, but y'all, the Connecticut sausage, those are the best in here. I just didn't want to drive across town. But I'm going to let y'all see the rest of it. You know what you do with the bell peppers, onion, and all that. Okay, my beans have been cooking for a while, y'all. And I did put them in the crock pot because it was so hot in the RV when I had them on the stove. So these are my sausages, y'all. And I do add my sausages to it. And when I tell y'all, do not add the grease also. I do use my grease when I get ready to cook my celery, onion, and bell pepper. When I get ready to saute all that down, I use the same grease as my sausages. So it continues to add layers and layers of flavor. Okay, as you can see, I got the sausages in. Now I'm just going to mix these around in there. And, y'all, it's the bomb, I'm telling you. And, again, I used my crock pot because it was a little hot when I had the stove on. This is the grease from my sausages. And I'm just going to add my Trinity, as they call it, the Holy Trinity in this thing. As you can see, oh, y'all, let's not forget the bay leaves. I do add 1 bay leaves to it. And, again, I'm just layering my flavors as I go. And when I tell y'all, this is so good. And if you do not have nature seasonings, make sure you get some of this. I use it on almost everything. And I season my bell peppers and onions again. We add layers and layers and layers of flavor. And it's still not going to be salty. And I do get another bay leaves and I add it to my beans and stuff. Okay, this next clips that you finna see right here is me adding the flour to it. I add the flour to my bell peppers and onion, and then I mix it up until you do not see the flour no more. And the reason I do this is to add the thickness to your red beans and rice. So this is just gonna make it a thickener when you get ready to mix it all in together, so it won't be so thin. And this me mixing everything up together, y'all. Oh my God, this is so good. And again, your RV will not be hot because you're going to be using your crock pot. Only thing you're going to use your stove for is the bell peppers and onions and the sausages. Y'all, just look at this right here. And you know you got to add the cornbread. So I did do me some cornbread muffins with it. Y'all, let me know if y'all like this video and you want to see more. Bye, cousins.